So if you are a fresher and want to come into the field of data analytics, or if you are experienced and want to switch your domain to data analytics, so make sure to subscribe this channel because here we do not bring only job notification but also upgrade your skills. Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. So today we have two big job opportunity for the fresher if you want to come into the field of data analytics. So SourceFuse is hiring data analyst for the India location, and the job opportunity is going to be fully remote. That means you have to work from home. So many of you demanding for the work from home opportunity and also for the less experienced person. So this is the one which you can apply for. So it takes much effort to bring such opportunity in front of you people. So make sure to like the video and subscribe for more updates like this. So before we move into the company's sites, let's first see about the job description. So SourceFuse is seeking the talented and experienced Power BI and Chat BI developer, where they will be responsible for developing, implementing, and maintaining business intelligence solutions. So here you will be using Power BI for the data visualization and also chat reports. And this role requires a strong understanding of data analytics, data visualization, data modeling, and reporting. So if you are familiar and have knowledge regarding tools, you can apply here. Now coming to the key responsibility of what exactly you are going to perform here. So here you will be designing, developing and maintaining interactive Power BI reports and dashboards. You have to collaborate with the business user to gather requirements and translate them into the technical specification for both Power BI and chat reports. Here you have to create data model, perform data integration and ensure data accuracy and consistency. You have to optimize the performance of Power BI reports and chat reports. Here you have to implement data security measures and ensure data compliance. You have to troubleshoot and resolve data related issue and provide solution for that. Here you conduct training sessions for the end user to ensure they are proficient in using Power BI and chat reports. So basically, if you are familiar with the Power BI and know how to create the dashboards, how to visualize the data, and if you have knowledge of end-to-end features of Power BI, so you are must fit for this role. Now coming to the qualification for this role. So if you have done your bachelor's degree, you can apply here. And if you have some experience as BI developer and expertise in Power BI, you will get more preference. You must have strong proficiency in Power BI including DAX, AM language, etc. You should also proficient in the chat reports and chat analytics. You must have knowledge and experience with SQL and relation database management system. You must know how ETL process work and how to operate the extract, transform and load. And at last, if you have good communication and interpersonal skills, you can apply. So link I have mentioned in the description, you can check. Now coming to our next opportunity, so it is also of a senior data analyst. This particular opportunity requires a little bit of experience. So if you have 1 to 2 years of experience in the data domain, or if you want to switch to a different company, you can go for it. So ClickUp is hiring the senior data analyst, and those who don't know about ClickUp is basically a productive platform which uses different collaboration and spreadsheet and also AI. And under Forbes 100, it got most innovative companies award. So you can go through the company's site by visiting the website mentioned below. So ClickUp is looking for the motivated senior data analyst with expertise in problem solving, data visualization to join their high performance team. So here as a senior data analyst, you will be creating compelling visualization, dashboards and reports. Now coming to the roles and responsibility. So here you have to collaborate cross-functional team with the stakeholders from growth and data team to support strategic decision making and data driven analysis. You have to develop and maintain dashboards by writing custom SQL queries and empower teams. You have to identify key performance indicators, that means KPIs, and metrics that align with the business goals and ensure reporting accuracy and relevance. You must have hands-on experience working with the large-scale structure and semi-structural environment. Here you have to translate quantitative analysis and complex question into digestible reporting for the larger organization. So you must have knowledge of Snowflake, SQL, DBT, Apo, Tableau, etc. Now coming to the qualification. So if you have done your bachelor's or master's degree in the engineering field, you will be eligible. You must have experience in SQL, Tableau, and should have excellent communication skills. Now few other desirable skills that the company is demanding. So you must have project management skills, basic understanding of Python, basic working knowledge of statistic and techniques like regression, segmentation, and A/B testing. You must have basic understanding of DBT and Git. So that is all in today's video. I hope you liked it. If you like, click on the like button, mention your questions in the comment, and subscribe the channel for more updates.